Hey everyone, Happy New Year. It is January 3rd, 2020, and this is your Latina next door. As you probably saw on my previous video, I had an amazing 2019 here on my YouTube channel. I shared a lot of DIY tutorials as well as home decor inspiration. Also, I shared all about our move to our current home, which we are fixing up. And we will continue sharing all about that during 2020. So let's go on to what you will be expecting this year on this channel. Of course, a lot of you guys have been wondering if I am going to be bringing back the Look for Less challenge. This is a challenge where I have a different co-host every single month, and I invite you all to join me and recreate something from a higher end store for a whole lot less. I cannot wait to share my co-host for this month. It is my birthday month after all, so it should be extra special. And I have a lineup of co-hosts already, so I can't wait to share each and every one of those with you guys in the upcoming months. The second thing that I am going to be doing this year is I am finally making my online shop. I have been thinking about doing this. I've had a tab on my website for the longest time, and it just goes to a blank page. And I've had it there because I know I want to do it, but I've never actually just did it. So this is the year that I am going to have an online shop for you guys, and I cannot wait to share more about that in the upcoming weeks. Another thing that's going to be happening this year is I'm going to have a better set schedule for my videos. I think it'll be a lot easier for you guys to keep track of them, and it's going to be a little bit easier for me as far as what my day-to-day every week is going to be like. It's going to be a lot better to have a set schedule of when I upload videos. That way it's easier for me to create content and be consistent, and you guys receive them, especially since sometimes you guys don't receive my notifications. So it's going to be on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays going forward for the rest of the year. That is, fingers crossed, what my plan is going to be. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And they're going to be a combination of DIY tutorials, home decor, DIY as far as home improvement, because you guys know that we are updating our house, as well as some updates on where we stand on some projects. And if I do those, it's probably going to be on Fridays for those. So it should be like a weekly recap of the things that, you know, kind of went on, what progressed, where we are on projects, and what's coming up. So I think it'll be nice to have those. I don't know if that's going to be every single Friday, but when it does come out, it will be on a Friday. That way you guys get like an end of the week recap. And as many of you have guessed, the Latina Next Door, my website, and my YouTube channel are my business. They are my baby that I hope to continue to grow, and I hope to continue to work with amazing brands and companies to bring you guys great DIYs and home decor inspiration. There's hopefully a lot more of that in store this year, and I cannot wait to share more details about it. Of course, I plan on bringing you guys more recipes. I know that you all have enjoyed the ones that I have shared on the channel, so I hope to include those more often throughout my videos as well. Another thing that I will be sharing also on my channel are more sewing tutorials. I know several of you also enjoy my sewing tutorials. If you don't know, I know how to sew, and I have a couple of videos already on my channel. And I've got some really cute projects for this house that I want to be able to share with you guys as well. So stay tuned for more sewing tutorials. It is one thing that I absolutely love to do. My grandmother on my dad's side is an amazing seamstress, and I seem to have gotten that itch to sew. I am not the best sewer. However, I do love to create things that are unique for my home. I like doing pillow covers. I like doing table runners. I even like modifying things that I have already have, because I always think that it's nice to add an extra touch to your home that nobody else can bring. So I have some ideas for this house, some small projects, some big projects, and I can't wait to share those as well with you guys. Also, one thing that I plan on focusing a little bit more on this year is my health. As you all know, last year, toward the end of the year when we moved, I ended up going to the hospital with an allergic reaction. I haven't been the same since, and there's also been a lot of other health issues that I've been dealing with behind the scenes that are a little bit more personal, and I'm not ready to share yet. But this year, I have to focus on my health and getting better again. And that's one of the things that I'm going to be working on a lot very early on in this year. I have a set plan of specific things that I've got to do for the first 3 months of the year to get my body back to where it needs to be. And I'm going to be working on that, and hopefully I can share a little bit more about that as I progress, as I go through, and hopefully at the end of the entire process, I can share with you guys kind of what I went through and what I had to do to get me back to where I need to be on a healthy note. I think that's everything. Yeah, that was a lot, but I really am excited for 2020. I can't wait to share even more things with you guys throughout the year. Again, don't forget, the Look for Less is coming back every single month. You guys are going to be getting the invite video next week, so stay tuned for that. And you guys will see me back here on Monday with my new schedule for the year. Make sure you subscribe so that you stay in the know. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. I can't wait to see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, and I hope everyone had a wonderful start to their new year. I will see you guys on Monday. Until then, adios.